Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these nail foil candy canes. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did these, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Madame Glam's Peel Off Base Coat, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Pink Gellac Soft White. I'm going to be doing a couple coats of that, and I'm going to be curing in between each. For the candy cane stripes, I'm going to be using this sort of faceted nail foil. I've already got it cut up in some various size strips here on a lid, and I'm going to be applying the top coat, the Pink Gellac Ultra Shine, placing the strips in the wet top coat, and then curing and removing the strips. After a cure, you can go ahead and remove the plastic top of the foils. I have just a couple spots, like right there on my pinky and right here on my index nail, where the foil did not properly adhere. So what I'm going to do is with my little small nail art brush, I'm going to add a little bit more top coat there. Just do these sections also at the same time. And then I'm going to reapply a nail foil strip and re-cure. I've also got a couple spots where the foil is hanging off the edge a little bit, like you can probably see on my ring finger here. And what I'm going to do with that is that I'm going to file it smooth before adding top coat. Once you've made any repairs as best as you can and made sure that the tips are smooth, you can go ahead and finish with a final layer of top coat, once again using the Pink Gellac Ultra Shine. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how these came out. There were definitely some struggles to get here, but the finished design is pretty stunning, if I do say so. Assuming my peel-off base coat cooperates with me, this will be my actual Christmas manicure, And if you need some more Christmas inspiration, be sure you check out my 12 Days of Christmas series or my Christmas playlist. I'd love to hear what you think of these down in the comments. Hope you all have a safe and happy holiday. And as always, thanks for watching.